So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Networking with Shabby. In today's video we are going to learn about the DHCP configuration using a DHCP server. So in this video you will learn what DHCP is, how to host a DHCP server and how multiple users like PCs automatically get IP addresses. So I will give a complete packet tracer practical demo. So in this video, we are going a topology like we are using three PCs, one switch and one server that is for DHCP. So let's start. Now we will going to open a Cisco Packet Tracer app. First of all, we set up a topology diagram using three PCs, one server and one switch. One switch here, three PCs, one here, and one will be here. Now we'll take a server here. Now it connect with the cable. Now we can see here we can connect we connected all the ports in switch one like in switch in port 1, port 2, port 3 and port 4. Now we will going to configure a static IP in DHCP server. So let's click on server, go to desktop, go to the IP configuration. Now we will give the IP address to the server. So we have to configure a static we have to give the IP address to the DHCP server. So we will give the IP address 192.168.1.2 and the subnet mask will be this. And we will also give the default gateway 192.168.1.1. So we have assigned the IP to the DHCP server. DHCP server must have a static IP so clients can always find it. So we are going to enable DHCP service on server. So let's click on server, go to the services. So we'll on the DHCP, go to the DHCP here. So we will on the service, DHCP service. Now we will give the pool name LAN underscore pool. We will give the default gateway also 192.168.1.1 and give the DNS server name that is 8.8.8.8 and we will give the IP range starting IP that is 192.168. So we'll give here start IP will be 10 and we will also give the maximum users. So maximum users will be 50. We are having only 3, but in real time scenarios we can take this maximum number of users. So what is pool name? Pool name is nothing but a group of IPs and start IP is like this one is start IP. So this is the first IP given to the client and maximum users like number of devices supported to the server. So mentioning all the configurations here, we first of all on the service, we give the pool name like LAN pool. We give the default gateway DNS server name, and start IP and its subnet mask and maximum number of users. Now add. So it's added. So minimize it. Now check it here. The IP address is assigned to the client or not. So go to the PC one, go to desktop, IP configuration, put it on DHCP. Same here also. Go to desktop IP configuration, DHCP, desktop IP configuration, DHCP. Now check the IPs are assigned or not. So you can see here IP address 192.168.1.1. Same here also 1.3. Same here also 1.4. So let's verify and test the connectivity. Go to the desktop, go to the command prompt, then IP config, enter. So we are used here IP config command to verify the IP address is assigned or not, which IP address is showing. So it's showing 192.168.1.10 from DHCP pool. All PCs will have the different IPs and will be the same subnet mask. So it's a successful DHCP. So let's test the connectivity. It's pinging or not. Ping 192.168.1.2 to the DHCP server. So it's showing it's pinging. Like it's sending the packets and receiving the packets. TTL is equals to 128. So what IP we have assigned to the PC server? 1.2. So 1.2 is the server IP. So it's pinging from PC1. So that connectivity is successful. So we can see here IP address is automatically assigned, that is 11. 10 for PC1, 11 for PC2, 12 for PC3. So this is the use for DHCP, use of DHCP, and it saves our time. So the ping is successful and DHCP and network are working properly. So in real time, like networks, DHCP is used in offices like homes, hotels, and companies to avoid manual IP configuration and reduce errors. Like there, there should be a question asked in interview about related to DHCP. Like DHCP uses UDP port 67 and 68. And what is the DHCP process? That is DORA process. First, it discover, then offer, then request, and acknowledge to the client that the IP is assigned. So in this video, we successfully hosted a DHCP server and connected multiple users using Cisco Packet Tracer app. So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and for more videos, you can comment also. Thank you.